In this video, we're going to set the die up for this 308 semi-automatic rifle. The important part here is to note the relationship of the bolt carrier group to the back of the upper. Start with a clean upper in a lubed case. The sizing die is high up off of the shell holder. They are not in contact. I'll size the case. Now we're going to insert the case into the chamber, lower the bolt carrier group, snap it in place. Note that it is proud of the upper, so the case is not fully going into the chamber so the bolt can close. Now this would normally take a lot of steps. I'm going to lower the die about 4/1000 of an inch there, just to show how a small adjustment can make a difference. Size that one. Insert this one into the chamber. Snap that home. Now it's flush. It's very, very, very close. And a little sticky upon extraction. Let's see where it's at. This one, it's just proud of that Dillon case gauge, and noticeably proud of the Wilson. So we'll turn that die just a little bit more, about 0.02 more, and we'll try the case again. Snapped over. Now I can feel that it's flush. Oh yeah, and it comes right out. No sticking at all. And now, the case gauge, I can feel it's under the Dillon case gauge. And it's just flush with the Wilson. Just right there. And that's how you can do it. You don't necessarily need these. They're nice for every rifle. You know, if you set to in between the specs on that Wilson, you'd be good in a lot of rifles. But that's all you need for this one. That's it.